Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So for this day, we will be discussing about solving rational equations. So at the end of this video, you should be able to solve rational equations. Ayan. So when we are solving, we are just finding the value or the values of the variable that will satisfy the given equation. So hinahanap natin yung value ng variable that will satisfy the given equation. So let's start. Let's say 3x plus 4 all over x squared equals 2 over x. To answer that, first step, multiply both sides with the LCD. Now, so we have the denominators x squared and x. Ang technique dyan, kapag parehas sila ng variable, tumingin lang tayo sa may mas mataas na exponent. At ito yun. So therefore, ito na mismo yung ating LCD na i-multiply sa magkabilang sides. So, as you can see, parehas tong dalawa, pwedeng i-cancel out yan. At ito naman, x squared over x equals x lang. Kasi may dalawang x dito at may isang x dito. Pag tinanggal mo yung isang x dito, so 1x is left dito naman. So, second step, simplify the resulting equation. So, 3x plus 4, kasi wala namang naiwan dito. Then, equals 2 times x equals 2x. So, next step, solve the resulting equation. So, ito yun. Transpose 2x sa left side, maging negative. Transpose positive 4, maging negative 4. So, ayan. So, 3x minus 2x equals x equals negative 4. So, therefore, the value of x is equal to negative 4. Ngayon, let us try to check kung tama yung ating sagot na negative 4. Check the obtained value by substituting it to the original equation. So, kailangan daw palitan si x dito ng negative 4. So, ito na mismo yun. Ayan. So, 3 times negative 4 is negative 12 plus 4. The square of negative 4 is 16 equals 2 over negative 4. Ayan. So, we have negative 12 plus 4 is negative 8. And then, I just copied everything. Ayan. So, if we're going to simplify that, we have negative 1/2 equals negative 1/2. So, dahil sila ay parehas, ibig sabihin, tama yung ating sagot na negative 4. Next. How about x minus 7 all over x plus 14 equals negative 3/4? Now, ano kaya ang kanyang LCD? Pag ganito ang binigay na denominator, ayan, isang number at saka isang expression, ito na mismo yung ating LCD. Yan. And we are going to multiply that in both sides. Ayan. Yun. So, 4 times x plus 14, tsaka dito. Yan. So, hindi ko na agad multiply kasi para mas mabilis tayo makapag-cancel out dito. So, cancel out x plus 14, also yung 4. So, what is left is 4 times yung x minus 7 dito equals negative 3 times x plus 14. So, let's simplify that. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 7 is negative 28 equals negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Then negative 3 times 14 is negative 42. Ayan. So, transpose natin yung negative 3x sa left side, maging positive 3x. And then yung negative 28 naman sa right side. So, 4x plus 3x equals 7x. Then, negative 42 plus 28 equals negative 14. So, we have x equals negative 2 because 7 times negative 2 is negative 14. Or simply, divide both sides by 7. Ayan. So, negative 14 over 7 is negative 2. So, let us try to check kung tama yung ating sagot. So, magiging negative 2 yung x dito. Ito na mismo yun. Ayan. So, we have negative 2 minus 7 is negative 9. Negative 2 plus 14 equals 12. Equals negative 3/4. So, pag sinimplify natin yan, magiging negative 3/4 din siya. Because 9 and 12 are both divisible by 3. So, 9 over 3 is 3 and 12 over 3 is 4. So, since sila ay nag-equal, ibig sabihin, tama yung sagot natin na negative 2. Next. Let's say 2 over x minus 3 over 2x equals 1/5. Ano kayang ating LCD dyan? So, para malaman ang LCD, tignan mo na yung variable. So, we have x. Wala namang mas mataas na exponent. So, x pa rin ang ating LCD ng isa. And then, 2 and 5. So, 2 times 5 equals 10. So, 10 times x equals 10x. So, that will be our LCD. Yan. At multiply siya in both sides or to both sides. So, let's distribute that one, this 10x here inside. So, 10x times 2 over x. 10x times 3 over 2x ito. Then, 10x times 1/5. Ayan. So, let's simplify. So, we have 10 times 2 minus 5 times 3 equals 2x times 1. Bakit naging ganon? So, from there, pwede ma-cancel out kasi ito. So, naiiwan 10 times 2. Yan. Then, dito naman, pwede matanggal yung x dito. So, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Then, times 3. And then, ito naman, 10 divided by 5 equals 2. We copy x. Then, 1. So, 1 na lang siya kasi mawawala pala to. Magiging 2 ito. Ayan. So, 2x times 1. So, let's simplify that. We have 10 times 2 is 20. Negative 5 times 3, negative 15 equals 2x. So, 20 minus 15 is 5. Equals 2x. So, divide both sides by 2. We have x equals 5/2. So, let's check kung tama. Palitan yung x ng 5 over 2. Kaya naging 5 over 2 ito. Tsaka ito. Ayan. So, to answer that we have, ito kasi yon, we multiply 2 tsaka 2 dito. So, 2 times 2 equals 4. We copy 5. Minus, ito naman, pwedeng mawala to, itong 2 dito. Kasi parehas sila. And then, we copy 3 over 5. Ayan. Equals 1/5. So, dahil sila ay similar, ay parehas lang naman ng denominator, we copy the denominator. And then, 4 minus 3 equals 1. So, since sila ay parehas, then, tamang ating sagot na x equals 5 over 2. Okay? Next, isa pa. Let's say x over x plus 3 plus 3 over x squared plus 7x plus 12 equals 5 over x plus 4. Okay, let's see. Pwedeng i-factor out mo na to para kita kung ano yung mga pare-parehas. Ayan. So, I just copy this one. Tsaka ito. At ito naman, factor out natin. At ito yung factors niya. Nakaparehas nitong x plus 3 dito. At kaparehas nito x plus 4 dito. Sabihin, ang ating LCD ay yung mismong x plus 3 times x plus 4. Yun mismo. Yan. So, we multiply the LCD sa lahat ng terms dito. So, x plus 3 times x plus 4 times x over x plus 3 plus the LCD, x plus 3 times x plus 4 and then times 3 over x plus 3 times x plus 4 and then equals, yun pa din, we multiply the LCD times 5 over x plus 4. Para, pwedeng i-cancel out yung x plus 3 dito. Yan. At dito naman, parehas mawawala. Yan. And then, ito naman, x plus 4. So, what is left now is x plus 4. Sorry, nalagyan ko siya. X plus 4 times x plus 3 equals x plus 3 times 5. So, let's simplify that. X times x squared. 4 times x, 4x. Plus 3 equals x times 5 is 5x. Then 3 times 5 equals 15. So, let's simplify that. We have x squared plus 4x. Nilipat ko si 5x sa kabilang side. Kaya naging negative 5x. Then, plus 3. At nilipat ko din si 15. Kaya magiging negative siya dito. Equals 0. So, let's simplify that. We have x squared. 4x minus 5x equals negative x. Then, 3 minus 15 equals negative 12. So, siya ay quadratic na ngayon. So, ngayon, maghanap tayo ng factors niya kung meron. Meron ba? Yes, meron. Ano yung mga yun? We have x minus 4 and x plus 3. To check that, pwede naman ganito. Negative 4 plus 3 equals negative 1. Kailangan parehas sa gitna. So, may 1 dito. So, negative 1 yan. And then, negative 4 times 3 equals negative 12. So, ito yung mga factors niya. Kung di kayo convinced, you can multiply that using FOIL method. Kailangan ito yung kalalabasan niya. Right? So, ito na. We have the two zeros here. X minus 4 equals 0. So, x equals 4. And then, x plus 3 equals 0. So, x equals negative 3. Ngayon, look at the two solutions here. Let's try negative 3. Ito ang quotient natin. Pag ilalagay ko ang negative 3 dito, anong sagot natin? Negative 3 plus 3. Magiging 0 ang denominator. Pag naging 0 ang denominator, ang tawag sa negative 3 dito ay extraneous solution. I repeat, pag nilagay mo yung x value sa equation at naging 0 ang denominator, ang tawag sa kanya ay extraneous solution. Ibig sabihin, ang tamang sagot lang dito ay 4. Thank you.